So this is the 2014 Leave Cert Ordinary Level Paper 2, and we're looking at question number 1. A garage has 5 black cars, 9 red cars and 10 silver cars for sale. Part A says a car is selected at random. What is the probability that the car is black? Well, we have 5 black cars out of a total of 5 plus 9 plus 10, which is 24. So the probability that the car is black is 5 out of 24. Part 2 then is what's the probability that the car is black or red? Okay, well there's 5 black and there's 9 red. So that's going to be 5 plus 9. And again that's going to be out of 24. So it's going to be 5 plus 9 is 14 over 24. And that simplifies down to 7 over 12. You can do that in your calculator or just in your head. Okay, the important thing there is in probability we link the word or with a plus sign. So black or red is 5 plus 9. Okay, so that the word or is linked with plus. Okay, part B, a car is selected at random. Then a second car is selected at random from those remaining. What is the probability that the first car is silver and the second car is black? Okay, so the key thing here is that the word and is linked to the multiply sign in probability. So the word or is linked to the plus sign and the word and is linked to the multiply sign. So we want the probability that the first car is silver. So there was 10 silver. So the probability that the first car is silver is going to be 10 out of the total of 24. And means multiply. The second car is black. Okay, well if the second car is black, there's 5 black cars. But if the first one is silver, that leaves only 23 now to choose from. So it's going to be 5 over 23 for the probability that the second car is black, because one car is out of the total now is gone. So we just multiply these two together on our calculator and we get 25 over 276. Okay, part 2. What is the probability that one of the selected cars is red and the other is black? So again we have the word and here. We link that to multiply. So one of the selected cars is red and the other is black. So you'll notice here that the difference between this question and the one up here. Here it said the first car is silver, the second is black. The order was specified. Whereas down here it just says that one of the cars is red and the other is black. So we need to work out the probability of red and black, or the probability of black and then red, because it could be either order here because it's not specified. So the probability that it's red and black in that order, red first, black second, well the probability of red is 9 red, so that's 9 out of 24, and is multiply. Second one is black, so there is 5 black, so that's going to be 5 out of 23, because one car is gone from the total. Or, remember or is linked to the plus sign. The probability that it's black first, so black would be 5 out of 24. And let's multiply again. The second one is red. So again we have 9 red cars, but this time it's 9 out of a total of 23. So there we go. We can put all of this then into the calculator. But just be careful, you're going to do the multiplying first. The calculator should do this for you, so you can multiply these two first. then these two second, because multiplication comes before division, and then you're going to add the answers. But most calculators, you can, if you put the brackets in, you can put the whole lot in like this, and that gives you an answer of 15 over 92. Okay, finally then, part C. 3 of the black cars, 2 of the red cars, and 4 of the silver cars have diesel engines. One car from the garage is again selected at random. What is the probability that it is a red car or a diesel car? So again, or, we're linking that word there to the plus sign. So the probability that it's red or diesel. Okay, well, the probability that the car is red, remember, there's 9 red. So the probability that it's red is going to be 9 out of the 24. Or the probability that it's diesel. So the probability that it's diesel, well, we've 3 of the black cars that are diesel, 2 of the red, and 4 of the silver. So that's 3 plus 2 plus 4, which is again 9. So it's 9. The probability that you choose a diesel car is 9 out of 24 also. However, we do have to now account for the fact that 2 of the red cars are diesel cars. So we've counted them twice now. So what we need to do is we need to allow for that and subtract those 2, because they're counted twice in here and here. So we're going to subtract that probability from the previous ones. So what we end up with then is 9 over 24 plus 9 over 24, that's 18 over 24 minus 2, which is 16 over 24. And when we simplify that in our calculator, we get 2/3. So that's the end of part C and the end of question 1.